Greetings terrainers! This video is about more scattered jungle terrain for the Lostria table. It shows the making of 4 vegetation-heavy jungle bases with overgrown, ruined structures. I decided to use styrofoam to build up the topography because it is light, cheap and easy to process. Mark the size of your base and cut out the outline with a hobby knife. The bases are from MDF wood. Glue them to the base. I prefer wood glue, but hot glue can be a choice to fasten up the making process. Start sculpting the slopes with your hand. Creating an overhang makes your terrain more interesting. Building up different height levels is always a good idea. Now you can attack miniatures from a strategic position. Time to prepare wall castings to add some detail. By the way, all the Lostria castings are available on my Etsy. A smaller wall piece that broke off looks always nice and realistic. Stairs are nice terrain features because they connect areas and bring the terrain model to life. Styrofoam is ideal to embed details because it is soft and easy to sculpt. Time to test the layout and how to pose all the elements. A wood glue with a higher viscosity is good to glue heavier pieces into place. To seal the foam and represent soil, this mixture from speckling compound, wood glue, black paint and sand works great. Brush and stipple it on. Add rocks. These are from cork bark. Some details need to get cleaned with water. Stick the trees into the wet mixture. I put links in the description below in case you are interested in the materials, tools and products I'm using. A smaller rock complements the bigger one. Some areas need more soil mixture. When the mixture is drying out, it is easier to add bigger and more stable chunks. Just play around and see how the modeling qualities of the curing material change. Adding some ground vegetation. And playing around with some minis. This is a jungle my orcs gonna like. Of course, green is the color and they can hide. Adding more trees to finalize the composition. A mixture of different grains of sand with wood glue blends elements together and add interesting sandy soil textures to the jungle terrain. Painting time. Soil in brownish ochre. Stone and rocks with dark gray. Scraping off a few mold lines. Palms get a coat of burnt umber. Smaller trees, a layer of ochre. Leaves get primed in brownish green tones. That gonna take some time. Wash soil with raw umber. And rocks with a matte black. Dry brush with dark gray, followed by neutral gray. Soil areas get a dark ochre dry brush layer. Dark ochre wash for the stones and the rocks. Fine turf mixed with wood glue and green paint. Sprinkled with more fine turf. I use a custom mix from Woodland Cynics Fine Turf products. Clump foliage for more variation. Some of the palms need a little bit more attention and a dip of glue. Painting the last highlights with sandy beige and a greenish wash in potential moist areas. The tips of the leaves get painted with a brighter green. or even a yellowish green is nice. Now we are done. If you like this kind of content, make sure you ring the bell and hit that subscribe button. If you want to keep this terrain train rolling, check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook, or become a patron. Link, like and share. There's a list on tabletopterrainlenny.com where I recommend tools and materials for terrain modeling. This is an easy way to support the channel. We also release a monthly layouted PDF tutorial about terrain making on Patreon. You can also find a free PDF as an appetizer. Just follow the links to our Patreon, explore what is going on, download the free PDF tutorial, and maybe you become a patron. If you have any questions or critics, drop a kind comment. Thank you and keep on making terrain. Cheers!